Hi everyone, Shiv and I are headed to Jaipur for a 2-3 day vacation and we're super excited about it. Of course, you're going to be part of the journey and it's going to be filled with a lot of fun things. Yes, that's all I can say right now because I also don't know what all we have planned. Only Shiv does, it's a mystery. So we've said bye to my parents and now we're headed back to the car. Bye! Bye! Okay people, so we set the direction. It's gonna take us 3 hours 54 minutes of active driving to reach our destination, which is Taj Devi Ratan in Jaipur, and Shiv is all ready and pumped.
Yes.
I am super pumped myself and I'm super looking forward to the drive as well as really enjoying the scenic farms that come alongside us. I'm gonna be on the driver's seat and yeah, it's gonna be an amazing drive and Shiv is gonna be playing all the music. And we'll keep you company along the way. Yeah, we're actually on the Gurgaon highway, right? We're right next to the airport, Aerocity, and we're on our way to the Mumbai Expressway. And we're gonna be on it shortly, and then we're just gonna fly. We have a lot of traffic right now. We've hit into Gurgaon traffic, but we're gonna pass it very soon. Hey guys, so we're like 15 minutes away from the Mumbai Expressway, and as you can see, the drive is beautiful. The road has just opened up. It doesn't seem like a lot of people are headed to Jaipur, so it's gonna be good for us. Our property is also anyways 10 kilometers before entering Jaipur, so super excited for it. And we'll show you guys the expressway once we're on it. Very important actually, you'll see a couple of boards when you're going from Delhi to Jaipur that the Mumbai Expressway is about to come. 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, 1 kilometer, 500 meters, and it comes very quickly and out of the blue, right? You don't want to miss it because if you miss it, you have to go like 20 kilometers ahead to Sona Road, take a U-turn and then come back. At least that's what I remember. So now what you'll see is I'm just coming down this highway of sorts, an elevated highway, and now I have to take the left into the expressway, right? There is another board telling us that the expressway is coming up, but it's not super clear, right? And you don't want to miss it. If you go straight, you mess up. So now I've taken the left, and as you can see, the beautiful expressway has started. It's going to be an 8-lane highway, and it is amazing. It's elevated, so no one really crosses for the most part, and it's very well maintained. I'm going to show you a couple of glimpses from the expressway as well. The beautiful farms that come on both sides. They are a spectacular view to. Yeah, look at this. Look at the road. I mean, this is better than like any expressway I've ever been on. This is better than the ones in the US, better than the ones in Europe. I have experienced so many different expressways, but this one tops it all, especially because of the farms that come in, right? They've already started coming in on the left. You can see there are a lot of them on the right as well. We can't see those right now, but they've already started coming on the left. Very nice. It's a very sunny day, beautiful day. It's super clear, and I think it's going to be a beautiful drive.
So we can see on the median beautiful rows of bougainvilleas in various colors, and this is a very famous native plant of this region, Delhi as well as Rajasthan. You can see this a lot in the Pink City where we're headed also. So it just gives a feel of the city that we're about to enter. The 8-lane highway is truly magnificent, and the farms also on either side of the elevated highway are beautiful. The roads are pretty empty, but still Ayush is maintaining a comfortable speed within the limit, and soon we will be reaching a midway point, which both Ayush and I are very keen on enjoying, which is the McDonald's, and Ayush has been dreaming about it since last night.
I've been drooling about McDonald's since last night.
Yeah.
And I also want to point this out, guys, that you will see that the road is so good and the highway is so good and it's so empty that we're at a relatively high speed.
Yeah.
We're at like 104 kilometers an hour right now, but it feels like we're driving at 50.
Yes.
Because it's so good. Like relatively, you'll feel like you're just driving very slow. So people, we are entering the service area where we have McDonald's. We are gonna hog like we've never eaten before. I am so excited and thrilled. This is gonna be the best. It's probably gonna be the highlight of this birthday trip. We're here at the pit stop. This is actually a very, very lit pit stop. It has a McDonald's right there, right? Of course, there's the washrooms right behind us. And then there is Starbucks also right there in front of me. Over there, there's Starbucks, and we also have Haldiram's there, right? So there are a lot of options. There's also a KFC far behind at the back, and then the McDonald's drive-thru is going to open up soon. That's also going to be very interesting. Yeah. So yeah, now I am going to McDonald's, grab a bite. Shiv is already there ordering, right? And yeah, I'm gonna get a McSpicy chicken, some fries, and then I'll also grab a Starbucks for the road. Shiv, so we're here at McDonald's finally. What have you got?
I've got this McAloo tikki and
Okay.
hash brown.
And what have I got?
McSpicy chicken and hash brown.
Nice. Are you excited?
Stop filming me.
Okay, so yeah, the food is here. That's Shiv's burger. That's the Coke. That's the cold coffee, and this is the McSpicy chicken. We've also got some hash browns. What are the hash browns? Oh yes, right there. Amazing. Look at that baby. That looks amazing. Okay guys, after having eaten here at McDonald's, I can only say that a man can only keep trying. Honestly, it was very AVG, but I'm not gonna give up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try again on the way back because I know that it can hit different when it's made right. But this one was quite AVG.
Actually, fries were not there.
Yeah, fries were also missing because it's breakfast menu, right? But we're gonna try again on the way back. Maybe it hits then. Also grabbed a Starbucks actually because the McD was so AVG. So I've got a Americano and Shiv's got a hazelnut latte. So we're gonna sip on this while we're driving. So guys, we're back on the road. It's a sunny afternoon in southern North India. And
Southern North India.
And it's beautiful. I'm really vibing to nice songs that Shiv is playing and I'm having a great time. It's a beautiful drive. The car is doing great. I'm just loving this moment to the fullest. It's all about mindful living. Look at the road. Shiv, show them the road. It's just pitch serene. You know, it's clean. It's empty. It's beautiful. The flowers, the sun, the farms on the left. I mean, this is what I've been talking about. This drive is the most beautiful drive period. I love it. We've reached the property. This is actually the main reception area and it looks insane. It looks like this place is from another planet altogether. Look at that. This is the long corridor that they have and this is where all the check-in formalities take place. I love this webbed, threaded or I don't know, traditional Rajasthani design. It's very intricate and really beautiful. Very peaceful and calm here actually. And the check-in process was seamless. We're just waiting for our room and then we're gonna head in. So we're in a buggy right now and we are exploring the property. Look at how lush green it is. Insane. Wow. So beautiful. I don't think we're gonna get out of the property anytime during our stay. Maybe only for a few hours. Wow. It looks like the hotel is made in a circular form. And I do believe that a lot of the rooms face the Aravallis.
अच्छा.
Okay.
रिक्रिएशनल रूम, हेल्थ क्लब, ये इसी के अंदर मिलेगा।
और कैसे जाना है वहाँ पे चल के?
अगर सर आपका इस ब्लॉक में रूम अवेलेबल होता है तो
हाँ।
आप वॉक करके यहाँ से जा सकते हैं।
ठीक है।
अदरवाइज उन ब्लॉकों में रहेगा तो आप डायरेक्ट वहीं अंदर से अंदर जा
समझ
सकते
गए.
अच्छा ठीक है.
हैं। लॉन है, एक फ्रंट लॉन, एक आर्टिया लॉन, ये सेंटर लॉन है।
तो इस लॉन में हल्दी संगीत ये सब होता है?
जी सर। तीनों में जहाँ जिस होते हैं।
तो यहाँ शादियाँ काफ़ी होती हैं?
हाँ सर, होती है ना।
ये कब खुला है होटल?
ये मैम 2010 में था। पहले अलग नाम से था मैम, ये ताज ने तो अभी लिया है।
अच्छा.
ज़्यादा टाइम हुआ, ये बिल्डिंग बनाई है ताज ने लेकर, ये न्यू बिल्डिंग है, वो दो तो पहले से ही है।
अच्छा ये नई बिल्डिंग है? ओके.
ये 3-4 साल पहले लेबुआ के नाम से था। ये एडवेंचर एक्टिविटीज का है।
काफी बड़ी प्रॉपर्टी है.
20 एकड़ में।
20 acres, wow. We've checked into a room now. I will show you guys the room. Right now we're headed to the pool to chill out a little bit. You know, maybe have a couple of drinks, eat some snacks, chill in the pool, take a dip, talk. And then, yeah, as we're going through, I'll also show you the property. I checked out the pool briefly. It looks serene, amazing, really. And so is the property. It's actually also very warm, which I love, by the way. I love scorching heat. You know, it should just burn you up. And that's what I love, and that's what we have over here. Summers have officially kicked in, and it's amazing, truly. So Shiv, we're headed to the pool. How do you feel?
I feel good. I feel relaxed. It's very warm here. So dipping into a cold pool will be good.
It is temperature control, that's what they said.
Yeah.
And see, this is the path we're taking. It's very, very resorty actually.
Yeah.
It's very, very resorty and major vibes. So this is the pool area. This is the kids pool right here. And then, yeah, this is the beautiful infinity pool. It's 4 feet in depth and it stretches from there all the way with some nice flowers on the tiles till there. It's really, really beautiful. It's very sunny, very warm. This is exactly what I wanted after Delhi winters. And I'm gonna spend a bunch of time here. I'm out for a walk for lunch. Shiv and I had the best Rajma Chawal ever. They had such a strong Mughlai flavor in them. They were not very spicy, but they were very, very flavorful. Very, very flavorful. They were so good that it really felt like I kind of it felt surreal. I mean, there's no words to describe how good my lunch was. It was brilliant, absolutely incredible. Shiv's at the spa now. I am gonna walk for a bit so that I can make some appetite for dinner because that's gonna be a feast as well. We're gonna go to this really nice restaurant. I'm forgetting the name. I'm gonna have some great lal mas along with some veg stuff with Shiv. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. We're also gonna drive around, probably do a little bit of shopping today, more so tomorrow. I should have shown you the Rajma Chawal. They were so incredible. They gave the Rajma Chawal to us in 2 big bowls. One was full of Rajma, the other one was full of nice, fragrant, flaky basmati rice. My mouth is just watering thinking about it. And then they gave us some papad as well and some onions freshly chopped. So good, man, so good. Love it, really, yeah. Shiv, where are we going? Where are we going?
We're going to Baradari in City Palace for my ring-in birthday dinner.
Yay! And we also have to grab some cake from somewhere.
Yeah.
If maybe not for there, at least when we are back to
When
cut
we're
it
back, we'll order.
cut it once we're back.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
I'm excited.
And then when are we gonna do all the shopping?
Tomorrow.
A lot.
Yeah, a lot.
So we're at City Palace now for a bite for dinner, and this is the entrance, and it looks insane. I mean, it's all dark. Only the middle part is lit, and it's all dark there as well, and it's all dark at the back as well. It looks really shady, to be honest. Really shady and dingy. Shiv, what's the restaurant called? Baradari. So this is the Baradari restaurant. Very, very Rajasthani in decor. So nice. Look at this. And the fort is also right up there. Whatever fort that is, City Palace. Yeah, it looks amazing. Yes. So Shiv has ordered aloo, right?
Yeah. No. This is Baradari,
Yeah.
Bharwan, with bocconcino, wait, how is it pronounced? Bocconcino, some cheese. It's very tender and soft. The filling is ample. Let's see how is the mouth feel. It's so fresh from the tandoor that you can actually have the chaat taste very fresh. I think it's one of the best tandoori alus I've ever had.
So we're exiting Baradari, and the veg food was insane, but the lal mas was quite ABG. Yeah, actually I've been having a lot of ABG food experiences for some reason, even though the afternoon food was like spot on, but then again the McDonald's was kind of average, right? Yeah, now we are exiting this place. We are in the middle of a palace. Wow, look at this. It's beautiful. As much as you can see at night. It's time to go to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Another day. Peace.